Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to install Tailwind CSS Intellisense extension in VS Code. As you can see, I already got an XJS project with Tailwind CSS here. Now the first step here is to install Tailwind CSS Intellisense extension. For that, we need to go to File menu, then Preferences, and click on Extensions. Now here, search for Tailwind CSS. It will be very first extension. So simply click on it. And here you will find the install button. Click on it. So you can see it is installed. You can close it. Go to view and click on Explorer. So we got our files here. Now it's time to run the project. Simply go to view. Click on terminal. Now type here npm run dev. So we got a project up and running at this URL. Simply press Ctrl key and click on it. So this is the output. Now it's time to style it using Tailwind CSS. So here go to source directory and here we'll find page.js. You can close it. Now here we'll apply a couple of Tailwind CSS classes and you will see how Tailwind CSS Intellisense actually works. So we'll go with the h1 element first. Use class name attribute here. So we'll use text class. If you don't see any IntelliSense here yet, simply press Ctrl plus space key. So you can see you are getting the suggestions here. So I'll go with the 5XL. Also put font. You can see I'm not getting suggestions here. So again, same process, Ctrl and space. So it will show you all the classes that starts with font in Tailwind CSS. I'll go with the font bold. Also style the div element. So put class name here. We'll use text center class here. Then bg red 500. You can see all the classes are popping up here. We'll keep the margin M2. Same goes in case of padding, P2. Now just save it and go to browser. So that's the output. So I hope you understood how to use Tailwind CSS Intellisense extension in VS Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.